You f***ing guys.
In the car.
I'm not putting my leg in there. Do what the f*** you want. Drag me through.
Right.
You break my f***ing leg and I'll f***ing sue this f***ing state.
You chose this route.
Oh, you f***ing cocksucker! You motherfucker! You f***ing assholes out!
Car, man. Get in the car, dude. Watch your feet.
Stop kicking. I will be done. I'm nervous.
Stop kicking. Well, sovereign citizen games don't play here.
I'm not a sovereign citizen.
Well, you need a license to drive.
Sit back in there.
No.
Okay, you asked me and I could have driven over here. Now you're doing that nonsense.
I'm sorry. I pooped on myself and
Get in
everything.
the car. Ridiculous.
I'm sorry.
I am.
Don't. Please, please, I'm sorry.
That's what I have to say to you.
Take me to the gas station, bitch.
You good?
I swear to God, I'm gonna be back here tomorrow, and the next day after that, and the next day after that, and the next day after that. Bitch, when this is right. What am I being asked for? Tell me. He didn't tell me you should. He told me that, right? You told me that, right? You told me that, right? What are you being arrested for?
Just told you resist.
Well, what was it before then?
Get in the car.
Okay, I'm gonna close the door now. All right, guys.
Thank you.
No problem.
Okay, in here.
I'll get in what I f***ing feel like it, dude.
In, mother. In. Let the go off of me, you. Then get in. Oh, get in. Get in.
I'm trying to get in. You hit my knee again, you
Get in.
Yeah, is your body cam on?
Get in. Get in or you're gonna get sprayed.
We'll come over and talk to you in a second. Okay?
Your mama's gonna kill herself.
Okay, in here.
I'll get in what I f***ing feel like it, dude.